Welcome back to Free Computer Programming. Today we are going to learn about Java comments. Okay, if you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a like and a comment, and share with your friends and family those who are interested in computer programming. From this YouTube channel, you can learn series of computer programming. Actually, you don't need to learn all of these computer programming languages. You just need to become an expert in just one programming language. Okay, please don't jump from one language to another. It took me to learn more than several years to learn all the programming languages. Actually, I know 6-7 programming languages. So I create video tutorial on Python programming, and I also creating series of video tutorial from scratch on Java programming and also on JavaScript programming and many more. And I just started creating video tutorials on front-end web development. After I complete it, I will also create video tutorials on full-stack web development. Those who are really serious to learn full-stack web development or data science, what you can do, just click here and it will take you to one of the most popular and one of the best computer programming bootcamp. You can learn data science, you can learn full stack software development, full stack on Python, full stack with Java, and many more. Okay. And I can recommend you another course from MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Just click on this link, and when you click on this link and use this link for getting enrolled, you are getting $250 discount, not matter of jokes. And when you are using this link, you are getting $500 discount. Okay, without further ado, let's start. We are going to learn Java comments. I told you in the last tutorial, double slash, this is single comments, means it will comments only a single line. Okay, but when you want to comment multi-lines, okay, I want to comment these 2 lines, say for example these 2 lines. Okay, let's run Java application, and we see Java syntax is just a note for fellow developers. Will not be executed. Okay, and we can also comment multi-line programming or codes. How? Just I just write /* then press enter, and automatically multi-line comments has been created. Now I can say this is Java multi-line comments. We can use it comments more than one lines. Actually, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10 lines, or more than this. Okay. Now, let us also create another new class. Okay. Go to click on class. Okay, and this is human class. Okay. Public static void main method. Click on finish, and we are here. I just press Ctrl D, and it will be deleted unnecessary quotes. Okay. And I just can say int x equal to 1000 and int y equal to 100. Okay. And I can say int a equal to x plus y. Okay. And now I can just print. See, so control space bar. Okay. All right. What are this? We will know in the next tutorials. Don't think much about it. And I click on Java application, and we see x plus y is equal to 1100. Okay. I can say total is click execute. Okay, total is 1100, and we can also run from here. Run human class. Okay, it is here, and we can also click on this drop down, then click run as Java application. 3 ways, and another way we can run it. Just right button click on the Java file or class, then just click Java application. Wonderful. We want to comment. Okay. Java is easy, and we want to single comment it. We don't want it to be running or being executed. So what I do, I just run Java is easy. Or what I can do, I don't want to run any of this code. So I can say slash star and star slash. Okay. And I just write another code, and I can say I want to execute just y, and y is, we know, 100. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. You will become a boss in just 3 months and can start working from anywhere in the world if you become expert in any programming language. All right. Thank you.